Hi, my name is Simon Barrett from Silverline Tools, here to introduce our fixed torque wrenches. We have in the range a 60 foot-pounds of torque and an 80 foot-pounds of torque. The 60 comes with a 5/16 hex drive, the 80 comes with a 5/16 or a 3/8 hex drive. All of the wrenches in the range are manufactured from chrome palladium steel. They automatically clutch out when they achieve the predetermined amount of torque. They also have a built-in ratchet mechanism to aid in that tightening process. They have a slip collar that slides in place though for undoing. They're 100% calibrated at the factory, so there's no need for recalibration. And what will follow now is a short demonstration of how to operate the torque wrench.